Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here, because I'm sure you're going to enjoy the content that we have today. And all of those who are not new, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are still in the whole theme of Carnival. As my last couple of videos, you would have noticed that the colors are really vibesy and bright and exciting, and it's all in the spirit of Carnival. Today I have another Carnival inspired look for you guys, and if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with this purple here. I wonder if they have names to the back of this palette. No, they just have numbers. So I'm going to be starting off with this purple here, and I'm going to use this as one of my transition shades. To buff out that color, I'm going to use a little bit of this peachy orangey shade. And I'm just going to use this to buff out the top of it. So I'm taking this dark purple here and I'm going to use it in the corner, the outer corner, and that's just to darken it up a bit. Alright, so now my crease is cut and I'm just going in to blend in the corner with the same dark purple that I used last on my eyeshadow. I'm just blending in the corners and stuff. So I'm going into my Beauty Case I Got You Edition palette, and I'm taking this shade here, Twilight, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Just to add a little contrast to the lids, I'm going in with this chrome glitter powder from 868 Pink, and I'm putting it, but I'm just putting it more to the top of the cut crease. Okay guys, so I did my liner and now it's time for foundation, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did basically my entire face. For foundation I used my Maybelline Superstay in Truffles. For concealer I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and for my contour I use my Black Radiance palette. You guys know whenever you're doing eyeliner for Carnival, to me it has to go with the whole theme of color and vibe and all of that. So I always try to use a colorful eyeliner in my waterline. Today I want to use my LA Girl. Is that LA Girl? Yeah, my LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. And I'm not really seeing the shade of it, but This is what this looks like. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this in my waterline. I'm gonna go back into my NYX palette and I'm gonna buff it out with this purple right here. For my highlight and blush today, I'm going to use my Laura Geller New York. This is a bake, a blush, and brighten, and I'm going to put this on all my high points. And this will give my face a warmer look than usual because it has a lot of pink in it. Alright guys, so I threw on my Kenzie Beauty lashes in Dual, which you're supposed to know by now is my favorite, and it's a local brand, which you know is plus plus. And I am going to do my lips now, and I think for my lips I'm going to do a mixture of these two. I know it looks so scary, but I have some in mind and I hope it works out. So this is the Kat Von D in K Dud. And this is my Sasha in Life It Up. And I think I'm gonna put this to the middle of my lip. Like that. And I'm gonna put this to the outside of my lip. And I'm gonna blend it in. And I'm just gonna blend it in by tapping. I'm just putting a little bit of this pink 868 glitter on my lip just to give it a little shine. Again, only because it's Carnival. I'm liking it too much, but I think I'll just put a gloss over it and try to save it. So I'm putting some of my Tatiest lip paint in Strike Gold and just putting it all over the lip. Alright guys, and this is the end result of today's, and I always like to look at them as experiments, especially when I do have a plan in mind. But this is the end result of what we did today. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Today, this is actually the first time I incorporated both of the 868 glitters, and I think that this one is my favorite because I love the way it looks on my lid. Again, they have 2 more in this collection that I need to get, as well as their dark chromes, which hopefully I will get soon and be able to put in a subsequent video. But I hope you guys overall enjoyed this look. Remember, the whole theme of these last couple of looks, and hopefully the next couple of looks as well, is a whole, you know, kind of carnival, bright, exciting kind of theme. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and most of all, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.